Hi, I'm Adrienne.
And I'm Attilio. Today, are you worried about selling
your home in a shifting market?
So let's talk about home improvement projects, or some basic things that you can do to your home to get the most bang for your buck when you're doing a resale. First one is going to be curb appeal. So we have talked about this on other videos, but don't spend a whole bunch of pile of money on landscaping for the resale. If anything, get things cleaned up a little bit in your landscaping. Make sure the grass is greened up, sprinkler heads are all in working order. So spend more of in the $3,000 range as opposed to $15,000. Things like making sure that the aesthetics of new paint, power washing. How does your home look like when I pull up in front of it from the car, or what we call curb appeal?
The other thing is bathrooms, right? We found that you're gonna get the best value out of updating a bathroom, especially one that's 25 years plus old.
The home?
Yes.
Or bathroom?
Bathroom. So replacing the tub, the toilets, installing maybe a double vanity for the sinks, tiles. So just the basics. When you start going overboard with extravagant upgrades, only if you're going to be enjoying it for yourselves. I wouldn't recommend doing that at all.
So think of DoubleTree Hotel, but not Kahala Resort, okay?
Yes.
Right in there. All right, and the next three are just some basic stuff that you can do yourself, don't cost a lot of money. The first one is declutter. Our general rule of thumb, look in every single room in your home, including the garage, storage units, and things like that, and go ahead and remove, especially in the living spaces, bathrooms, bedrooms, living areas, remove 1/3 of the items there. If you're going to do it anyway to donate and resell, do it now so you can make more money in the sale. What's the next one?
The next one is to depersonalize. So when buyers are walking through your home, they want to be able to envision themselves in your home. And if you got all the kids' pictures and calendars all over the front of the fridge, it's very difficult for them to envision that. So just clear off the front of the fridge, clear out those personal family items from the home.
And you know what, there might be crazy stalkers, so you don't want them showing up at your next kids event, so take your kids' schedule off the refrigerator. The last one is clean. Believe it or not, this is the one, either you're going to spend a whole bunch of time on it if you're a clean freak. If you're not a clean freak, hire a clean freak, professionals to do that, because one of the buying decisions that buyers make, and whether they're going to offer put an offer on your home or close to asking, does it smell clean? Does it look clean? And does it feel clean when I walk into your home? So these are our tips for getting the most bang for your buck.
Thanks and aloha.
Let's go. This is the Team Lally Real Estate Show. Home of the guarantee.